I'm Shane Vanosha, instructor at Kendall College of Art and Design. In this course, Design Image, you will learn some of the essential concepts of design. So when we design, we first want to get a handle on what problem we're going to solve. And this process begins the moment we ask some very basic questions. Who is this designed for? What will this design do that is different or unique? Where will this design be delivered? And so on. In the big picture, we refer to all the design steps as our process. The tools we use to find design solutions include a variety of hand and digital tools. On the analog side, we use rulers, paper, pencil, ink, scissors, X-Acto knives, and glue. On the digital side, we use photography, computer applications such as Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. In this course, you will explore and document your design work through journaling and digital image capture. You will also gain an understanding of what makes an image recognizable and memorable. You will learn to use a design vocabulary that will enhance your ability to better communicate your ideas. And finally, you will apply your design skills through multiple iterations, producing digital images and documenting your process along your creative journey. I look forward to seeing you in this class.